Y'all niggas think I be playing when I said this water came all the way up on a bitch yard, bro. Look at this, bro. Car is dead from last night, 8, 9 o'clock in the afternoon, bro. To the front of my house, bro. Niggas can't even focus or get in, you feel me? Corvettes dead. Brand new Nissans dead. 2010s and 13s dead. Like, damn, look at this shit. Got high the water up was to a nigga house, man. Like,
2005 Corvette.
this shit crazy. 2005 Corvette dead. 2010, 13 Nissan dead. 2010, 13 motherfucking Grand Marquis dead. Van down the street dead.
Maxima dead.
Maxima dead. Around the corner, the Maxima dead. I can't even show you.
Money, boy. That man don't want you to the water. You hear me? That dude. That cover. You know, said open when you open that?
That's probably for the well. Everything dead. Everything in this bit dead. Look at that. My backyard dead.